the ability that Kornit has to really capture the vibrancy, the subtlety of colors and of linear delineations on the fabric, they were wonderful. And they brought in from each department so that we could talk about what it is that we have to achieve. What are the technical parameters that have to be fulfilled? What are we looking for in the design? It's fabulous. What are the potential and the possibilities when you really have the ability on demand to do fabric printing and at a scale that you couldn't imagine, that really is art just because of the quality that we're able to achieve and incredible pricing. Once we chose it, once we had the fabric, once we did the test, they produced everything within a week. You know, the combination is a killer.